Are you looking for the best drawing tablets under $500? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drawing tablets under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Huion Canvas 13 Graphic Tablet. The Huion Canvas 13 Graphic Tablet Monitor is a 13.3-inch Full HD pen display designed for digital artists and illustrators who want professional performance in a compact form. It features a fully laminated IPS screen with an anti-glare etched glass surface that offers a natural, pen-on-paper, drawing feel while minimizing parallax. The display supports 120% sRGB color gamut, around 99% sRGB and 90% Adobe RGB, providing vibrant and color-accurate visuals ideal for creative work. Equipped with Huion's battery-free PW517 pen using PenTech 3.0 or 4.0 technology, it offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support for precise and responsive strokes. The Canvas 13 includes programmable express keys for quick shortcuts, supports USB-C connectivity, with some versions offering a single cable solution, and works seamlessly with Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux systems. Weighing about 865 grams and only around 11 millimeters thick, it is portable and easy to carry, making it suitable for students and artists on the go. With an IP-rated build, sleek design, and support for HDMI or USB-C connection, it provides flexibility in setup. Overall, the Huion Canvas 13 is an excellent mid-range drawing monitor that combines portability, color accuracy, and professional pen performance, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals seeking a reliable, high-quality digital drawing experience. Number 2. XPPen Magic Drawing Pad. The Magic Drawing Pad is a standalone Android-based drawing tablet designed for artists who want to create on the go without being tethered to a computer. It features a 12.2-inch 2160 by 1440 resolution display in a 3:2 aspect ratio, with AG-etched glass for a paper-like drawing surface. It pairs with the battery-free X3 Pro stylus, which offers around 16,384 pressure levels of sensitivity and supports tilt recognition. Internally, the pad is equipped with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, expandable via microSD, along with a sizable 8,000 mAh battery that delivers around up to 13 hours of creative use. It weighs about 599 g and is only 6.9 mm thick, making it highly portable. The device also boasts a wide color gamut, around 109% sRGB, for vibrant visuals, dual cameras, 13MP rear, 8MP front, for speakers, and full Android functionality, meaning you can install drawing apps directly and work independently of a PC. Overall, it combines the versatility of a tablet with the precision of a drawing monitor, offering a strong choice for digital artists seeking portability, high-quality pen input and full creative freedom. Number 3. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro V2 Tablet. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro V2 is a professional-grade 15.6-inch pen display tablet designed for digital artists, illustrators, and animators. It features a full HD, 1920 by 1080, fully laminated screen with an anti-glare matte finish that minimizes reflections and provides a smooth, paper-like drawing experience. With an impressive 99% sRGB and 96% Adobe RGB color gamut, it delivers rich, accurate colors ideal for design, illustration, and animation work. The tablet comes with the advanced X3 Pro Smart Chip stylus, offering 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support, and ultra-low latency with just 3G of activation force, ensuring precise and natural pen control. It also includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and a red dial control wheel for efficient workflow adjustments. The device supports both USB-C single cable and 3-in-1 cable connections, compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Linux, and Android systems. Weighing around 1.45 kg and measuring about 12.9 mm thick, it strikes a balance between portability and workspace comfort. Overall, the XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro V2 combines a vibrant display, exceptional stylus performance, and professional design, making it an excellent choice for artists seeking an affordable yet high-performance drawing monitor, though it requires connection to a computer or compatible Android device to function. Number 4. UGEE T3 Fun Drawing Pad. The UGEE T3 Fun Drawing Pad is a versatile 14.25-inch Android 14 tablet designed for artists, designers, and creative users who want a standalone drawing experience without needing a computer. It features a 2400 by 1600 resolution display with a 60 Hz refresh rate and a 3:2 aspect ratio, offering crisp visuals and ample workspace for sketching and note-taking. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor, it includes 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking and creative apps. The device supports a U-pencil stylus with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, providing a natural, responsive drawing experience on its nanomatte laminated surface, which mimics the texture of paper. With a 10,000 mAh battery, it delivers extended usage for long creative sessions, while its slim 6.95mm body and 760g weight make it lightweight and portable. The UT3 also includes built-in cameras, stereo speakers, and full access to Android apps, making it a complete creative workstation. Overall, the UGEE T3 Fun Drawing Pad combines high resolution, strong performance, and portability, making it an excellent option for digital artists and students seeking a powerful, all-in-one Android drawing tablet. Number 5. UGEE 12 Plus Drawing Tablet. The UGEE 12 Plus is an 11.9-inch pen display designed for creative work on Windows, Mac, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux devices. It features a full laminated FHD, 1920 by 1080, anti-glare screen that suppresses parallax and delivers a smooth, pen-on-paper feel, alongside an ultra-wide color gamut, 147% sRGB, with the ability to switch between sRGB, Adobe RGB and DCI P3 color modes for accurate results. It comes with a battery-free EMR stylus that supports up to 16,384 pressure levels, via firmware upgrade, and 60 degrees tilt recognition, letting you draw naturally and precisely. The device also includes an on-screen scroll wheel and 8 programmable shortcut keys for enhanced workflow control. 2 USB-C ports allow flexible connection, including single cable, to desktops, laptops, or compatible Android devices. While the build is compact and affordable, making it ideal for students or hobbyists, users should note it lacks a built-in stand and the brightness is modest, so it works best in controlled lighting.